In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set the default zoom level in Google Docs. Now, this is a really handy thing to know, especially if you often find yourself straining your eyes or simply prefer a different view than what comes preset. Setting your zoom level can make your workflow smoother and more comfortable. So let's get started with this straightforward process. First things first, you'll want to head up to the top corner of your browser window. There, you should see an icon that looks like 3 stacked dots or lines. It's commonly referred to as the menu icon. Go ahead and give that a click to reveal a drop-down menu with several options. Among them, you should see a section dedicated to zoom. Here, you'll notice 2 conspicuous buttons, the plus and the minus. These are your basic tools for adjusting the zoom level on your browser and subsequently your view in Google Docs. If you're looking to zoom in for a closer view, simply click the plus sign. Each click will increase the zoom gradually, so feel free to click until you find that sweet spot that suits your preference. Conversely, if you prefer a broader view and need to zoom out, click the minus sign instead. It's the exact opposite function and should provide you with ample flexibility to scale the document to your liking. For those of you who prefer keyboard shortcuts, there's an alternative method you might find more convenient. Hold down the Control key on your keyboard. While doing so, use your mouse's scroll wheel to zoom in or out. Scrolling forward will zoom in, providing a closer view, while scrolling backward will take you out to a wider perspective. This method offers a smooth and continuous adjustment, which can be particularly useful if you're looking for quick changes without leaving the keyboard. Now here's something important to keep in mind. Once you've set your preferred zoom level, there's no need to worry about resetting it every time you open Google Docs. Closing and reopening the document will retain the same zoom level you set. However, remember that this zoom setting is specific to the browser you're currently using. If you decide to switch browsers or move to another device, you'll have to adjust the zoom once again for that particular setup. It's a minor inconvenience, but being aware of it can save you some confusion. And there you have it. It's a simple, effective way to customize your viewing experience in Google Docs. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to catch more useful tips and tricks. I look forward to seeing you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.